Moneydance versus Quicken versus YNAB. Which personal finance app should you use in 2025? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down the differences between Moneydance, Quicken, and YNAB, so you can pick the one that actually fits your budgeting style. Let's start with Moneydance. It's a desktop-based budgeting tool that gives you full control over your finances. No monthly fee, no cloud syncing, just solid money tracking. Great for privacy lovers and people who want local storage. But it doesn't push notifications or automatic syncing like modern apps. Next up is Quicken. Quicken has been around forever and offers deep financial tracking. Bills, investments, net worth, even loan planning. It syncs across devices and connects to banks, but it's expensive, and some users say the interface feels outdated compared to newer tools. Now let's talk about YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB takes a totally different approach, zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job, and it's all about proactive spending. Super powerful if you're serious about controlling your money, but not the best fit if you just want a hands-off overview. So which one is better? If you want full control and data privacy, try Moneydance. If you need advanced finance tracking with investment tools, go with Quicken. And if you want to take total control of your spending, YNAB might be your move. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.